We've got your last minute holiday gift guide from SMKW right here coming up. Let's light it. That's right, folks. We've got your last minute holiday gift guide right here. 3 items in each of these categories: under 30, under 150, and over 200. So, for example, each of these 3 items in the under 30 category are under $30 themselves. First up is going to be the Rough Rider Black Appaloosa 2-blade Senator right here. We're going to show that one up close. Now, this is one that I know you've heard us talk about it a lot, but I really cannot state just how good of a deal this is. You saw those really snappy half stops right there, and I got my grimy fingerprints all over this thing, but really cool spear point blade and really cool Warncliffe right there. This one's coming in at $16.36 right now on sale, but the regular price is $17.99. So really good deal on this thing. You're talking that Black Appaloosa smooth bone right there with the spades shield. That's going to be nickel silver on the shield, nickel silver on the bolsters, nickel silver on the pins with brass liners right there, and black underliners under those scales right there. Now, one thing to note on these is each one of them is going to look different. Each one of them is going to look unique. They've got the Rough Rider 30th anniversary tang stamp right there, so you can date it really easily. And just a really great deal from that Black Appaloosa series. I picked the 2-blade Senator right there to be the first one to show in that category. Next up, just because Florida State didn't make it into the college football playoffs, we wanted to show off this VICTORINOX right here. So this is a SMKW special right here. This is the Houndstooth, and you'll see our SMKW logo right there. This is a great gift idea. It's coming in $23.99. You know that I'm a huge proponent of having those scissors on you every day. I've got a Victorinox Classic SD, and I'm not just saying like this one in particular. I'm saying the Classic SD in general because it's a great price and it's really easy to carry. I've got one on my keychain, and actually I think I've got the shark one. Yes, I've got the shark one on my keychain. So those are all really great options. All of the Classic SDs coming in under 25 bucks. Just a really great option. Greg's also got one. He's got his orange checkerboard, we're going to call that. So that's another one that kind of fits in line with this one right here. Yep.
Well, not for championships.
No. Then we're actually going to move right along to one of the most popular knives that we get every year, and this is an SMKW exclusive from BOKER, and it's the Smooth Bone series of slip joints made in Soligen, Germany. Now, I've got a couple of them to show you right here. This is the medium Stockman. These are all coming in at $29.99, and that is a fantastic deal for a Soligen, Germany made BOKER slip joint right there. All smooth bone. We've got a bunch of different colors. This one happens to be the purple. We've also got this 2-blade razor jack version right here. Another really good option because this one is going to have the cap lifter if I could keep from wrecking my thumbnail. And actually had a thumbnail. So that one's got the cap lifter on it. Nice razor jack pattern right there. That one's in the orange. We've also got them in green, I believe. We've got them, yes, in green, orange, purple. So a lot of different colors, a lot of different patterns. We've got the Trapper, we've got the Stockman, the medium Stockman, and the razor jack as well. So really great deals on those coming out of Soligen, Germany. That is all. And these are, like I said, these are going to be gift ideas that maybe you hadn't thought of that are within these price points too. So moving on to the under 150 category, the next one up is going to be the next most inexpensive one, and that is going to be this CRKT MICROFLIPPER CEO with the sheep's foot blade or the reverse Tonto, however you want to say it, whatever you want to call this. I really dig this pattern. You saw me before feature this one in a gift guide that I picked out. Actually, it was not this version. It was the standard blade version, the drop point. But I really dig this one as a gift idea for anyone because that's going to be a great working blade, a great EDC blade, and one that is going to be easy to carry, unobtrusive, and not so intimidating. So it's going to be a great gift idea. It does have the flipper. It's nice and smooth, reversible pocket clip, deep carry, and really good action, like you know and love. Sandvik C12C27 on the blade steel on that one, and this one's coming in at just $59.99. So $59.99. You've got nice Sandvik steel. You've got nice aluminum handles right there, anodized blue. Really great gift idea, under $150. Next up, and there's a caveat to this one. So there's only 2 days that you're going to be able to get this price on this specific knife. This is the MKM Vincent. We're doing our 12 days of Christmas sale right now. So this one is normally like $229, I think it is. Yes, $229. This one's going to be on sale for $139. $139 for 2 days and 2 days only. That's going to be on the 12th and the 13th of December. The 12th and the 13th of December, you can pick up one of these MKM Vincents for $139, and that's only going to be 3 of the patterns. So that's only going to be the Lava Flow, the Toxic Storm, and the White Storm. So what we're talking about here is fat carbon on the handles with color matched pivot collar and backspacer. Nice PVD coated Van Axe blade. Jesper Voxnay's designed in collaboration with us here at SMKW. Really dig this pattern, and I've actually put this on my list of top 5 most ergonomic knives that we carry, and it is a phenomenal knife. I love this thing. Really nice Van Axe super clean blade steel, and got the flipper, got the thumb hole opening, and opens really easily, really nicely there. I don't even have to use my wrist. It's really cool. Reversible wire pocket clip. And like I said, for those 2 days, the 12th and 13th, these are going to be under $150. They're going to be $139.99. That's a really good deal that you don't want to pass up if you get an opportunity on those. And last but not least in that category is actually going to be the LT Wright Bandit right here. This is another great deal for a great outdoor fixed blade knife. We're talking red canvas micarta on the handle. This is the Bandit, so AEB-L on the blade steel. We've also got a higher end version of this in PSB 27, our new blade steel from LT Wright there. That one's coming in at $220. This one is coming in at $125. So $125 for a really nice, well-made LT Wright knife. It's got the brass lanyard tube. It's got the brass pin right there. It fits really nice in the hand, but at the same time, it's nice and small and unobtrusive. It's not huge. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not really heavy. So a great fixed blade AEB-L steel. Really cool choice for a great outdoorsman's gift or a hunter's gift right there. Really like that one. Now, the higher end category, over 200. First up in that category is going to be the KERSHAW LiveWire. This one in particular is the spear point blade with the black coating on the blade. We've got all 3 versions in stock as of the filming of this, but those are moving quickly. Now, this one has been an absolute smash hit from KERSHAW since they released it last year, and in MAGNACUT blade steel now. So MAGNACUT on the blade steel, nice anodized aluminum handles, and the nice thing about this one is how easy it is to actuate. It takes so little effort to actuate that. Now, that's not to be mistaken. It's not going to go off in your pocket because it is a decent long travel, but really easy to actuate. So if you don't have as much strength in your fingers or in your hands, if you've got arthritis, this is going to be a great option for an out-the-front automatic if you want it there. So, also, it does have blade safety in mind. So, you don't have to worry about it piercing anything. Now, it will pierce your skin if you just deploy it into your skin, but that is actually going to keep it from like really stabbing you there. So really cool knife there, coming in at $249. Next up, this one's coming in at $332, and this is a really cool new case knife that actually, as of the filming of this, we don't even have online yet, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So if you've got somebody that you want to buy a gift for and they've got everything, or maybe they're a collector of slip joints or case knives, this is one that you don't want to pass up right here. So this is going to be the Case Burnt Goldenrod Damascus Trapper. So we've got several different patterns in this. The other three are under 200. They're about 198. This one's 332 just because it's a lot bigger. So the other patterns that we've got like a peanut, and we've got a sod buster, and we've got one other one. But this one is the nice full-size trapper pattern right there. Nickel silver on the bolsters, brass on the liners and pins there, and nickel silver on the shield. And we've got carbon steel Damascus blades, and those are absolutely gorgeous Damascus blades right there. We've got the spay and the clip point, and just a beautiful, beautiful knife all around. It has that classic grandpa's pocket feel. That's exactly what I like to equate this to. Is it just looks like Pawpaw's knife. That's really what it looks like for me. So that's a really good gift idea. And last but certainly not least, one that you might not have thought of that falls in that over 200 but still under 400 range is going to be the WEHR Knives Wolf right here. Let's take a look at that one. So this is a beautiful, beautiful knife. This is the Wolf P. So what that means is it is the production version. If it's got the P on it, it is the production version. And this one's coming in with that gray, kind of more bronze titanium finish right here, and of course the color matched hardware, all blacked out M390 blade right there. It's 4 inches closed, 3.4 ounces, and actually designed by custom knife maker Matthew Wehrwein. So this is the WEHR Knives Wolf P. And blade length is about 3 inches, overall length 7 inches right there. Really great ergonomics, but what I want to impress upon you is the action on this thing. I mean, it's just super smooth, super sleek, really gorgeous. Again, another great gift for somebody who has everything, maybe collects knives, and wants to step it up, maybe wants something a little bit more on that next level. This thing is super cool and really great quality materials. And the fit and finish is absolutely gorgeous. So that one's coming in at $385. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite item from this episode was, and what you want to see more of. If there's a category that maybe you want more from that category or that one, let us know in the comments down below, and hopefully this helped you out with your holiday shopping. As always, folks, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. Remember, if it cuts, we